Hello drummers, let's expand on the quarter note beat. This one here, this beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add in extra bass drums and snare drums. Example number 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. For right-handed players, that's right, both, right and both. Right, both, right and both. And for left-handed players, that's left, both, left and both. Left, both, left and both. In example number 2, let's try expanding on that a bit more by adding more bass drums. Right and both, right and both. For lefties, left and both, left and both. And the count would go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Finally, in example number 3, I'm going to expand on this using bass drums and snare drums. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's right, both, left, right, both. Right, both, left, right, both. For left-handed players, left, both, right, left, both. Left, both, right, left, both. Sounds very nice, doesn't it? And you can make your own ones up too by changing the order. So instead of having bass drums on every beat, you could leave notes out. Instead of having snare drums, you can have 2 or none. Try and make your own examples and see what works for you. Here's a little example of what I mean. Leave out the bass, like this. Sounds nice. Add extra bass drums in. More snares? Sure. Fill your boots. Leave the snare out. Sounds cool. Anyway, play about with these examples and see what you can come up with yourself. And I'll catch you again very soon for another free drum lesson. Thanks for watching.